All right, back on Jumping Jack Flash. It seems like you just talked to me and I was in the same spot. Well, I was. This is our nostalgia front engine dragster. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of work going on in the background. We're trying to get this cowl finished up. In the last video of what you saw was us making a template, trying to get things formed, making our homemade Zeus fasteners for the body panel and getting all that done. Brian's still here. He's working on the 4 9-inch rear end, getting that all set up, so that'll be ready to go when it's assembly time. But you know what, where we ended up last time is we're fighting some of these curves and all that and able to figure out how to transfer what we've already got to what we already have over there. And like I said, we only have one shot at it, so we got to get this right the first time. So probably not a whole lot of talking going to go on this video, probably a whole lot more just time lapse. Really focused on trying to get this done. Want to give a shout out to Brian for being here, helping out, setting up that rear end. We'll go check on him here in a little bit. But for now, guys, we're going to get to work. We're going to get setting up to transfer the die and template we made on that last one over to this so we can finish up these panels. Like I said, there's still a lot of work left to do on these panels, on these cowl, and I'm really, really coming up to a deadline. So with that, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this camera over to time-lapse. We're going to continue to lose our minds and hopefully get this done. See you in a few minutes. All right, so if you look there on that panel, we took that paper template we made, which is right there. We're going to save that. It might be useful for the other side. What we did is we taped it on there and then we traced around it. And now is the fun part of what we're going to do is we're actually going to trim that line out, and we're going to go fit the panel. This is really intricate work, guys. I'm kind of losing my mind on this. This is make or break time, to be honest with you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get trimming on that. See you in a few. The master, Brian, he's got it all set up.
Not yet.
Not yet. It's close. So yeah, he is working on the 9-inch, and it's almost set up. So not only is he a master on that, he's got to put the pinion in, yeah. But just doing a little bit of progress check, and if you notice his shirt, yeah, gray shirt right there. Anyway, it's going to go from the 370s that were in the top fuel car when this thing was made, and to 430. So that little small block can take advantage of what we got going thrown at it. Once again, Brian, much appreciated. All right, so this is going to be the end of part 3. This is taking a lot of work, guys. It's a lot of intricate work. Really what we got left to do is, well, you can see here, we drew the line here. That's going to have to be trimmed. We cut these long on purpose so we know where to cut them. So we did roll all this, and we got to cut it down in there so it fits perfectly. Then, of course, we got to make our driver's radius in here and make a little windshield. It's the same thing we got going on over here. We got to trim that out a little bit more so it fits in the area that we rolled with the bead roller. But you can see it's coming along pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I'm digging it. There's going to be a part 4 to all of us losing our minds. Jimmy, did you lose your mind today? I know you said you found it.
I'm too tired to lose anything.
He's too tired to lose it. I'm pretty sure he lost it. I know I lost mine. And, you know, Brian's over here. He's lost his mind too.
No, I'm good.
He's good. He's good. He's doing the fun stuff.
Yeah, I'm not doing fab.
Yeah, he's not doing fab. He's doing the fun stuff.
As tired as I am, the next thing I'm going to lose is my life.
Yeah, Jimmy's pretty wiped out. But yeah, as you can see, guys, it's getting there. There's going to be a part 4 to this, which is fine. Kind of expected that. We knew this was going to be a lot of work, and it's panning out to be a lot of work. Till then, guys.
Well, I've never done this before.
Yeah, this is something. This part, yeah, he's never done that part. So this is something we both are getting a learning lesson on. But yeah, you know what, guys? We're getting there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.